Oh, no, this is better. What do you not like about me?
Se je počivališče dan.
Počivališče.
So viel Blut.
Hey, aus dem Weg.
Da gremo v Nemčijo, najprej do Andreja seveda, tako da 5 ur pa pol plus, mislim, brez pauz, pa zdaj grem še v trgovino po sendvič, pa kavo, pa po avstrijsko vinjeto se moram iti, tako da 45 do 6 ur prva runda, bolj čez zadnji pa še 3 pa pol, tisto bo easy. Evo vinjeto imamo. Kot jo bom dala tam. Evo, I got the goodies. Kava, sandwich, piščančjo salamo, solato in siro. Tajno siro, kakor mi še ni do sandwicha zdaj tako. Tukaj imam itak ta zeleni čaj. Gremo. Stojimo že na 20 minut. Vse razgled je dober. Mislim, da je tam semafor, ampak je rdeč. Vsi so že avto ugasnili, ker smo že tu ful cajta. Edini problemček je, da bom mogla lulat počasi iti. Kak je pa lepo le. Sem utrujena, zdaj malo sediva na kavču, se pogovarjama. Najedli smo se, zdaj pa v easy večer, mogoče kak film, karte.
I was lost in a city dream and I was at home again beside the stream. Then you walked past me and you saw me and smiled. I will never forget the first time when I saw you. I thought I lost my mind. Blue and faded was blown away and left behind.
Andreja kuha joto. Posebej za mene se potrudila.
You are like a summer breeze that I must inhale. Is it possible for us to feel this way forever? Loving you has never felt more right.
Malcajt pa montiranje.
Aj, to se mora voda itak zagreta. A ti sem dam? Zdaj pa sem to pritisnem. Zdaj ne bo še začelo teč, ta ne?
Woke up lonely and for you there is nothing in this world I wouldn't do.
Nohte bomo delali.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile how much I love you. You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we
Dankeschön, ja.
but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. Forever. Forever.
Any extras?
No. What is this? Like,
Which side? I took these.
no, I'm gonna have basic.
Sour cream.
Sour cream dip me. Or I'll have zero cola.
That's here, like free.
Oh, yeah. Forgot.
Choose whatever you want.
I'm fine. Sprite z grozdjem.
Ali sem prispela Jošu in drugače je bilo cool, sam dež je šel 2 uri vmes, lilo je in sem zmatrana. Zdaj smo pa Burger Kingu, ker sem jaz ful lačna, danes sem samo enkrat jedla in ja, bolj gremo po trgovino, po hrano. Sam ne morem lačna nakupovati, plus ura 10, ampak so tukaj trgovine ene odprte do polnoči, tako da komaj čakam long chicken, nimam več Burger Kinga v Sloveniji, tako da treba izkoristiti.
Kjer je burger, poglej to. What the fuck?
Just small hands.
Look at mine, so small. Sure. Oh, wait, I need...
Riveran. Late night. Riveran. Charger? 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 Charger.
This is so... Malo smo na kuponu.
Jaz sem končala barvati jajca, potica oziroma testo mi ni vzhajalo, vsaj mislila sem, da mi ni, zdaj, ko sem ga razvalila, se mi sploh ne zdi tako slabo, tako da ne vem, jaz bom vseeno naredila, pa bom videli, kaj bo. Tako da bom zdaj testo, zdaj bom na del dala in zrolala in bom videli, kaj bo. Snek. Malo sem že montirala video, tako da imam mene 13 minut že zmontiranih, ni bad. Zdaj gremo pa laufat, sem bom najprej to pojedla, tako da ne bom čisto na prazen želodec, ker sem že nekaj cajta po konci. Danes je plan, torej laufat gremo in pol imam jaz stream. Zvečer pa na grško večerjo. Grško restauracijo, mislim.
Gremo laufat? No. Nič še malo.
Nič kaj? Nič še malo?
Ja.
Nič še malo, that makes no sense.
Maybe a bit too soon.
Gremo laufen.
We're already running.
So fast. Huh?
Žive. Se na tog fejs malo škrupi. En kilometer še. Suhu. Joshua shake bom pila, nam če je dober. Ampak...
So, ihr seid gefordert, jetzt mir ein schönes Video zu machen. Dankeschön. Wir werden kommen. Wollte ich ja, was will er machen?
Josh mi je kupil Emanuela.
Dan sem nisem nič javljala, ker sem cel dan montirala. Cel fucking dan. Ampak sem danes fraj od streama, tako da ure v bistvu že 7, ampak ja, gremo v trgovino po par stvari zadnjih, boli tak 2 dni praznik in ja, to je to, produktiven dan, ampak ne zanimiv, so ker imam usti.
Klein, aber aua. Josh je potico, ignorirajte mojo slabo potico, ampak jo je z sladoledom. I'm not mad, I'm just disappointed. No, I'm not judging you. Just showing.
Cake with ice cream.
It's not cake, it's bread. I'm a professional.
Wait, I can...
Josh, wait, can you just... Josh mi nekaj kupil. Ne vem zakaj. What is it? Everything in here or what? No.
This is for Lex.
Lex? Okay. It's for you, Lex.
For me. This is for Justin.
Yes!
Yeah.
I already did that.
Oh, really? No.
What?
I forgot or I didn't see.
No, you were there.
Yeah.
Yes, you don't love me. I'm kidding. Oh, I don't mind doing it
The
again.
exact...
Literally this, yeah.
Okay. Then
I even saved like these molds because I was like, if I do it again one time, I'm sure I didn't, but like I saved these and this.
no.
Thank you. I think it was my first 12-hour stream in my new apartment, and I did this.
Oh, okay.
This is cute though.
Oh, it's like Harry Potter and plants and spring type of thing.
Yeah, I love this too.
And it's like crafty.
Ja. Jaz se ne pritožujem, jaz bom še enkrat to sestavljala. Hvala Joši, nam zakaj mi kupuje neke stvari, smo rekla, da ne sme, ker me razvaja preveč. Še ne puzle mi je kupil, nisem vam pokazala, ček. Ja, to sem vam še zabila pokazati, puzle, kako lepi so in wait for it. Muzika! This is so cute, okay? Yes. Gremo en velik nakupovalni center, ki se imenuje Globus. Imajo še svojo črpalko. Mislim, ne rabimo kaj dosa malo gremo pogled. Soboto pred prazniki. Imajo pa najbolj poceni benzin. Oziroma dizelja. Krista. Solarne lučke. What is this even? With cream sauce? Chicken cut?
My curry sauce is like sweet.
I really don't even know how. Like that. Good job, Josh. I would do the same. Ja. Cashews, ja. Dankeschön, ja. Tschüss, Ken.
Bitteschön.
Bitteschön. I'm so funny, Josh. How does it feel to live with someone this funny?
Feels good, man.
Yeah, I bet. Wish I knew how it is.
Wow.
Where do you find it? Now it's a yes. Is this Post Malone? Posty. Nope. Oh, smells like radish. Horseradish. Odgovarja. Da odsedo. Fajn sem se najokala. Oh my god. Sezona špargljev.
Name is Jeff.
Oh, we can do it on one or?
Yeah. You want cappuccino or milk?
Cappuccino. Yoshi boy. Oh, wrong side like the... Neke miške so turške. Pa kavica. Šla smo kupiti letne karte za vrt, ker so nama potekle. 35 je za celo leto, kar je čisto cool, ker pač skozi sem hodimo. Ena je pa mislim, da 7 ali 8 evrov, če gre samo enkrat. Oh, there's tulips. Tulips, 3 lips. I can pick myself flowers. Cuties.
Here she is. Surrounded by Blumen.
Blumen, ja. So viel Blumen. So viel Blumen.
Hey, aus dem Weg.
No,
You wanna
du
see
aus
the
dem
blue?
Weg. You're in my Weg.
See, schüchternes Eichhörnchen. Tschechisches Streichholzschächtelchen.
What if you say pikčasta ptička v pikčasti kletki?
Ne, hvala. Mit Karte bitte.
S kartico, prosim. Kartico.
S kartico?
With kartico. Eichen is done.
Squirrel.
Squirrel.
It's a squirrel.
Veverica. So easy.
Neverica?
Veverica.
Veverica.
Se je počivališče dan.
Čivališče.
Počivališče.
Počivališče. Yeah, I said. There I said it and I already forgot it. What is Hummel again? Like
Schmirl.
Schmirl.
Not schmirl. Schmirl.
Schmirl. Schmirl.
Schmirl. Ne moreš verjeti, dokončala sem eno diamond painting. Bi rekla, da je prva vožnja v sezoni, pa ni, ker smo se 1. januarja vozila z rolerji, ko smo šla po avto po novem letu. Kaj se veselim.
Naravnost.
He can be whatever he wants to be. Štiri ure pa pol sem streamala, zdaj pa je čas za hrano, ker sem tak lačna, čeprav sem imela prej one hodoke, je čas naredil. Že 4 ure pa pol mimo in jaz rabim hrano. Te nudle instant sem si naredila. Te so beef, goveje, ja. Malo drugačni so, nekako bolj rdeča pasta glazron. Malo preveč vode sem dala, upsi. Jutri je velikonočni ponedeljek, bomo šli na en brand z mamo, pa pol na en kratek izlet. Zvečer imam stream, urnik narediti, ja, zdaj sem končno malo fraj, teda se diham. You're stupid. Tickles your cornflakes. I like this cornflakes. Yeah, sweet. We have, oh no, that's with mushrooms. Na doben izlet, ker je bilo slabo vreme, pa iskreno meni se ni dalo, tako sem bila low energy, zdaj je pa sonce. Vreme je reklo, zdaj pa delam večerjo, ki je tako najbolj random večerja. Bučke je treba porabiti, tako da delam buče, pač pečem v pečici, ko bo pa že skoraj konc, bom pa še sir dodala, da se zapeče. Tukaj mešam, pečem paradajz in tu imamo feto iz Egipta, ki je taka bolj tekoča. Pa tu še imam ono polovico steka od zadnjič, treba odtajati, tako da bomo pač neko mešanico jedla. Pa še ostanke imamo tu pita kruha, ki ga bomo pekla v... Ja, v toasterju. Jutri grem domov, tako da si grem kupiti malo hrane na pot. V kofer pa par stvari za danes, ker bom pekla chocolate chip cookiese. Jaz spet kuham omako, čebula, paradajz, pa bom isto naredila včeraj, sem da bo zdaj za testenine. Tukaj ribam bučke. Zdaj sem si že pripravila za kekse. Šlahidite, to imam. Moko imam, rjav in navaden cuker, maslo, Plus sem ugotovila, da nimam pecilnega praška oziroma sode bikarbone, tako da tu še počakala, pa mogoče enkrat šla v trgovino ali pa ko Josh pride, gremo skupaj. Ne da se mi hoditi z avtom po noči, ker moram ga pol parkirati, ker imam ta berlingo in je ogromno in ga več ni tako enostavno parkirati. Ok, jaz sem nazaj iz trgovine, zdaj pa lahko dokončam. Zdaj mi bo več tekati, ne? This is a disaster. What the fuck? And keks naredila.
That's my cookie, sir.
No. Oh, this is so bad. To je fail. I'm so sad. Josh, do you wanna answer some questions from my viewers? 3 questions. I think this is easy one. To start with easy one, what is your favorite food?
Probably good steak.
Steak.
Rosemary
Your
potatoes.
Rosemary potatoes, okay. So, what is your, I guess, hobby or favorite thing to do?
Playing handball and football.
Sports.
Exploring the nature. Traveling. No kvatch cutting. I make kvatch, but no kvatch cutting.
What is your, how do you say, ethnicity?
My mom is German. My dad is from Egypt, but I'm born in Germany and raised in Germany, so normal German childhood, I'd say.
Yeah. Why do you like me? I'm fishing for compliments.
Oh, that's a loaded question.
That's a loaded. Take your time to write an essay, you know. Oh, no. This is better. What do you not like about me? And maybe more like what would annoy you or...
Leaving the cover on the cream cheese and any other spreads.
Okay. Yeah, and it annoys me that you take it off.
Sometimes you forget to put lids on things, like bottles and stuff.
I do? I don't know what.
Like in the bathroom, like there's a lid here and you can...
Something about like my personality or like not what I do or say. I don't know.
Not too bad that you're overthinking it too much a bit.
Yeah.
Sometimes you're like a bit all over the place.
Me?
Doing too many things at the same time. Then you forget what you started.
I would never.
Kind of like having multiple things not finished.
True.
Yeah,
I agree.
More of a focus and management thing, I guess.
Yeah. I don't like when you leave your socks on the floor.
Exposing me.
Like, I understand they're clean, but like, why they're in the middle of everything? Like,
Kire lepe sončnice, še malo. More iron. Napolitanke imajo. Popoli salame sem videla. Is this Turkish or sweet? I think that's Croatian. To je jadro. Nudli ali kaj so to? Candy. Oh, this is the candy Jessa. Spakirano. Pa zunaj so še 3 vrečke.
Missing someone